Hello guys, so you asked for the Still a Bernot blind bag, so I made it. So the Nobini is common, Spaghetti Tuloleti is rare, Los Ballerino Cappuccinos is epic, and Strawberry Elephant is OG. I want OG. But we have this one that already says the OG. I got OG, yes. Oh, sounds so squishy. Now I got a Lucky Block. They're not mine. So I am going to open it.
Ha? Oy,
Now it's a Lucky Block. And it's OG. It says to cut this, but the creator said no. So I got the Strawberry Elephant. Ooh, it's a Strawberry Elephant. Hey, Like and sub, guys. So Lucky Block. This is the Lucky Block.